Hi, this is Matt with QuickRegisterSEO.com and ClassifiedSubmissions.com. I'm making this video to let you know that we have added some extra features to our classified ads submission service. We're always looking for ways to give you more value, to give you more exposure for your ads. We rack our brains to come up with ideas, and we're developing our own network of classified ad sites, and they're getting a lot of traffic. You can see here all the ad counts that have been posted recently. We have over 23,000 ads just in work from home alone, as well as all the other categories. This is just one of the sites. So we post your ad to this site and to many others. And what we're going to be offering now for our members of ClassifiedSubmissions.com, if you purchase our service, not only are we going to massively promote your classified ad on thousands of web pages, but we're also going to give you 10 upgraded ads if you do the monthly or the quarterly membership. So we're going to give you 10 upgraded ads. So what does that mean? So let's say if I come here to the work from home category, and you're going to see these ads pinned to the top here and highlighted in yellow, right? These are the premium listings. We're going to give you 10 listings, one on each of 10 of our high traffic sites, including this one that you see right here. And so the advantage of an upgraded ad, it's a big deal because they stay pegged to the top of the section while the others rotate down. See, as new ads come, they rotate down. But if you have an upgraded ad, they stay here right at the top of your section, no matter what section you're in. You could be in a completely different section. You could be in the job section, for example. And if you chose jobs as your category, your ad is going to stay right up here with a nice picture. It's great. Then people can click through to your ad and order whatever you're selling. So from now on, what we're doing, until we decide to change our mind, we are offering upgraded ads for members of ClassifiedSubmissions.com. So if you get the monthly package at $39.95, you're going to get your ad upgraded here, and they stay live for 90 days. So even if you just order the monthly and then you quit, we'll still leave your ad up there. All right. So it's a great deal because if you just go to the site here, it's $5, right? So you go to 10 sites, that's $50 to upgrade the ads. We get upgrades, people just upgrading all the time. So if you order just the service for 1 month and you get 10 upgraded ads that would have cost you $50, and now it only costs you $39. Plus, we do all the other submissions. We're going to submit you to our blog network. We're going to submit you to lots of other sites massively. I mean, you're going to get thousands of confirmations from all the places that we submit your ad. So these upgraded ads are in addition to everything else we do for you at ClassifiedSubmissions.com. And we're going to do something even better. We now offer a yearly option for ClassifiedSubmissions.com. So you could pay the monthly option and you'll get 10 upgraded ads, which is already a fantastic deal. Just alone, the upgrades are worth $50, and plus everything else we do is worth well over the $39.95. Now, if you choose the yearly service, not only is it a $282 discount over the monthly service over the period of a year, but we're going to create a professional image ad for you. We're going to also upgrade 30 ads. So your ad will be upgraded on 30 high traffic classified ads. So you would pay, if you went to each one of these sites, it takes a lot of time too, to post your ads on these sites. You would pay $150 to have 30 ads upgraded alone. Plus you get a year's worth of promotion. Okay. So this is really a great deal for you. We're trying to get you as much exposure and traffic as possible. We're constantly promoting these sites. As you saw, they're getting traffic. They're getting people showing up on the sites. We're doing SEO for these sites. We're sending out mailings to these sites. So we're really batting for you to try to get as much exposure as possible. And this yearly deal is really great. It's $197, okay, for the year, and as opposed to $39.95 per month. So it's a radical discount over a period of a year. And, every few months you can change up your ad if you want. That's fine. If you want to try something different, we're open to that. So if you're looking to get some exposure for your site, come on over to classifiedsubmissions.com, and you can try the monthly service, or you can try the yearly service right here. And actually, I just thought of it. I was making the video. We upgrade these ads all throughout the month for our customers. So if we're keep submitting ads for you all year, your ads will be upgraded all year for this, because we keep even as they expire, we keep upgrading them. You see, because we resubmit. So the ads normally stay live 90 days, right? But we keep submitting. So as long as if you're a customer for us for an entire year, and you've chosen the yearly option, you're going to have 30 ads upgraded for an entire year. That's a really great advertising value, especially if you're willing to think a little bit longer term, which is a smart way to go. Most people don't. They think just right now. Think a little longer term, and this could really pay off for you. So this is Matt with ClassifiedSubmissions.com and QuickRegisterSEO.com. If you're looking for some extra traffic, come on over, check out the service. It's really good, and we'll give you as absolute much traffic as we possibly can for as little money as possible. We're looking to give you a great advertising value. That's our goal. Thank you so much. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel below. Like, comment. You can ask us questions. You're even welcome, if you're an affiliate, to embed this video in your blog or on your website and put your affiliate link beneath and earn 50% recurring commissions. Hey, if you refer 2 people and they order the yearly plan, your yearly plan is free, because we pay you 50% commission, $197. 50% of that times 2 is $197. So you can just refer 2 people for the yearly service, and you can get all this for free just by earning affiliate commissions. And you're welcome to use this video on your blog, embed it, and put your own testimonial, your own affiliate link underneath. It's a great way to start earning affiliate commissions. Our affiliate program is free to join. And I'll put the link below as well in the description of the video for you, so you can learn more about the affiliate program. You can sign up for it for free. You can also get banners, so on and so forth, linking codes that are coded to you for an entire year. If anybody clicks your link for an entire year, you will get a commission if they order. So thank you so much. This is Matt with ClassifiedSubmissions.com and QuickRegisterSEO.com.